99027A, the game manuals, and we're here to show you that we can make math fun.
And with a little help, you can solve any problem.
Hey, have you heard about the new superhero in the neighborhood, Mathman?
Yes, I hear he can do math better than anyone.
Do you think he can help us with our Vex IQ tournaments?
Oh look, here he comes.
Hello friends, I'm Mathman. What can I help you with?
We're working on our Vex IQ.
What can I help?
You sure can.
What can I help you with?
How did we get here?
I brought you here. What do you need my help with?
Well, we have to move objects into areas to get as many points as we can in 1 minute.
That's exactly what I have to do when I'm flying. I have to know how long it will take to get from place to place. You have to know how to calculate speed.
How do we do that?
You just need to know how far the distance of something is and how much time it takes to travel.
Oh, so that should help us because the field is 8 feet by 4 feet. And we have 1 minute to do it. We can now tell what speed we are going in.
Excellent.
We also need to discuss power.
I'm going to ask my friend, Math Woman, to help you answer that. I hear it now. Here he comes. I am Math Woman, and I'm here to help. Power is extremely important. Did you know that power is the rate at which work is done?
That helps because we need to be able to have a robot hang on the bar, so we need enough power to do that.
Power is measured in watts. Watts are named after James Watt, the inventor of the steam engine. A watt is the flow of 1 volt of energy.
The watts our robot puts out is 7.4.
That should be enough to do a high hang.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yes, there is. We need to know about torque.
Torque is a force directed in a circle, most often rotating an object.
That will help us because we need to know how much the motors can turn.
Of course that will help. How much torque does your robot have? You just need to know the units of force multiplied by the distance. I know something you can try. You can put a piece of tape on a motor and count how many times it turns.
I'll keep time for 15 seconds.
And I'll see how many times the tape hits the piece.
Ready, set, go. Okay.
The tape hit it 23 times.
Now, all we have to do is multiply that by 4 so we know how many times it spins in 1 minute.
Wait, did you know that speed, torque, and power all fit together? Engineers call them classical mechanics, and math makes them all come. Can I help you with anything else?
We will always have questions, but this is our last question.
Could you help us with angles and measurement?
Of course I can.
We have a period of coding called an autonomous period, where there is barely any human interaction allowed.
We do all of this with code, so we really have to know our measurements.
I could show you a few things about that.
Okay.
First off, when you measure, you can measure in centimeters, inches, feet, and more. You can measure in inches.
Thanks. Now what about angles?
You measure angles with a protractor. 90-degree angle is like turning sideways. 180-degree angles are like turning around. 360-degree angles are a full circle around.
Thanks. Now we can measure angles.
I need to be going now.
Thank you for all your help. And tell Mathman that we said thank you too.
Just remember, whenever you need help with mathematics, just ask.
Okay, you see, math can be fun.
And with a little help, you can solve any problem.